Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to make a fire rain. Now first, take a candle. You can see a candle in front of me burning. As to my last video, in this video also I'm going to make this experiment with a candle. Now just burn the candle. Now you can see the candle burning. Now for making a fire rain, just take a plastic cap like this. You can get it in free markets or shops. No need to go deep to buy this. Now take anything to hold the cap. I am taking this. Now just keep and hold of the cap, and then you can see I am burning. It's burning at a high temperature. Now see. Now a hole is becoming, and then see, there's a fire rain right now. See, there is a fire rain. It's so fun to do like this. Thank you my friends. Today, now just share my video, comment and subscribe please. Thank you.